Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this fluffy, yummy pancake, cookies and chocolate syrup pancake. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the main video. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this pancake. I have 2 cups of flour. I'll be using 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1.5 cup of buttermilk. I'm using buttermilk here. 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, then the cookies that I'm going to be using, I already mashed it, then half teaspoon vanilla flavor. And here is the chocolate syrup I'm going to be using. This is homemade. I made this by myself. So first thing, I'll crack in the 2 eggs into my bowl. Then I'll add in the 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that together until the sugar is slightly dissolved. Then after that, I'll add in my vegetable oil 1/4. You can as well use melted butter for this. I'll add in the half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I'm using white vanilla flavor. Then add in the buttermilk. You can use normal milk. I just want it very fluffy, so I'm using buttermilk. If you have your normal milk, just add in white vinegar or lemon. That will turn it to buttermilk. So I'll add in my baking powder to the flour. Then mix it very well. And it's time to add in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So, and I'm done mixing. You can see how smooth it is. If you want it a little bit lighter than this, you add 1/4 cup of milk or water. But I'm okay with this consistency because I want it to be a little bit hard, so I don't want it to be too light. So I'm done mixing. The next thing is to put my pan on fire. So the pan is already hot. I'm doing this on a low heat. So after I've scooped it, I'll add in the cookies on top of it, then add a little bit of the butter again. When you see the bubble on top, when all the up is bubbling, then you know that the under is ready to be turned. Then you turn it. You see how fresh the pancake is. So this is what I'm going to be doing until I'm done with all the batter. So this one I'll be adding in the chocolate syrup. Then I'll add a little bit of butter again. So I'll continue the process until I'm done with all my batter. Like I said, you can make it lighter than this or you leave it with this texture. By making it lighter than this, just add 1/4 cup of milk or water and we are done with I'm done with everything here. I'm going to dress the plate with chocolate sauce and a little bit of the cookies. This pancake is so fluffy, so nice. Try it out. Make use of this recipe. You are going to love it. I'm assuring you, your family is going to love this pancake because it's so fluffy and so airy. See how the inside is. That is the chocolate on. Then I'll cut the cookies on too. I use only 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you are a sweet tooth, you can add 1 more tablespoon. But because of all these cookies and the chocolate, I use only 4 tablespoons, which is perfect for this recipe. So, and here we are done with the video of today. Thank you all so much for your support. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And you have watched to this extent, that means you like this video. Please hit the like button. Bye. See you in my next one.